there, my name is Maggie and I'm a product marketer at Team-GPT. Today I'm going to show you how legal teams can use project knowledge in Team-GPT to optimize their processes. Managing legal processes requires careful organization of regulations and client information while maintaining strict confidentiality. When working with AI, normally you would need to give the AI the context it needs to generate relevant responses with every single chat. Not anymore. Now you have project knowledge in Team-GPT. With project knowledge, you can centralize your resources and add your materials to a project once, and then Team-GPT will keep them in mind for every conversation within that project. You can also improve AI interactions because the AI automatically references your project's knowledge base, providing more relevant and context-aware responses. And last but not least, all team members within that project will have access to the same information, ensuring that everyone stays aligned. To access project knowledge, select the project from your left sidebar in Team-GPT. Once inside the project, click on the Project Knowledge button in the Chat Input field. First, let's add our project information. I'm going to click on the plus button and paste my information. I'm giving the AI some relevant context. I'm giving it the document review process guidelines, contract management, compliance requirements, research standards, and so on. I'm clicking on Save. Now I would like to add a helpful link. Team-GPT is scraping the content, and I would also like to upload some files for reference. First one is our legal research guide and our case management protocol. Now let's see how this guides our AI conversations. I'm going to start a new chat inside that project, and this is my prompt. Following our document review process and compliance requirements from the guidelines, create a contract review checklist that incorporates our risk assessment criteria and approval workflow. As you can see, the AI provides clear checklists based on our established methodologies and best practices. This means more efficient document review, consistent compliance, and better risk management. That's project knowledge for legal teams. Thank you for watching.